1 through 10.
Let me see your thing.
I'm kicking shit at Javinci, these ain't no phone pauses. I know these niggas, they envy, but they ain't nobody. My whole team fly like a private jet, ain't no co-pilot. Say he don't know about the quantum, go ask your hoe about me. Feds asking me about the shooting, but I don't know about it. I bought a house in Atlanta, but still be in them projects. I bought a deuce in the van, lean out the water faucet. I wrap my Glock around my back.
What's up, Drippy Gang? It's your boy Drippy A, back at the game with another video. As you can tell from the title, we're gonna be doing a monkey video part 2, rate me 1 through 10. You know, last video didn't go that good, so I'm hoping this video I can get I want all of them to be 10s. If you can tell from my voice, I'm kind of sick. I got a runny nose, throat hurts. I don't know. I have not been doing it. I don't want y'all thinking. But yeah. So let's get straight to the video. You know what I'm saying here. Hey, I got a question. Rate me 1 through 10. Oh, see, hey, I ain't gonna lie, she was bad on my. Hey, I got a girlfriend. Listen, Ashley, I'm sorry, but she was bad, dude. Actually, we still together, we still getting married. But oh my, bro, dude. Wow.
Boring.
Ooh, man. She don't look better than my girl, but she was good for her. Dark skin.
Hello?
Are you a boy or a girl?
Why the fuck everybody keep saying that, bruh?
Hit the time button, hit the time button.
Nigga, I'm a dude, bruh.
You dude.
I'm a dude, nigga.
Rate me 1 through 10.
I just have to hit you.
Rate me 1 through 10 then, little dude.
Nigga, you gay. You gay. Y'all niggas are gay. Nigga, you gay. That's gay.
Nigga, I'm not a girl, bitch.
Rate me 1 through 10, nigga, if I beat your ass.
I'm a 10.
I'm a 10?
That's my sister.
Wait, I'm a 10?
That's my sister.
Hey, let me get your number then since I'm a 10.
Ew!
Since that's your sister.
You gonna do it? I mean, I can give.
I got a 10. Hey, I don't care. I ain't want her number. I was just playing. I was just doing that for clickbait for y'all. So my girlfriend you let me, it's y'all fault, nigga. On me. Hey, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Rate me 1 through 10.
Hello?
Rate me 1 through 10.
Is your mic on?
Bitch, you damn well you can hear me. I'm sorry for my language, y'all. I'm sorry. Just some bitches be pissing me off, dude. She literally just said, "What's your question?" Is that what she said? We got to run that back. I don't know. I was playing with that little boy. I don't want y'all to think I'm gay, bro. Shit, I was just trying to see if the nigga was a fruit or not. Shit, some niggas, bro. Let me stop, bro. Y'all niggas might be thinking I'm gay and shit, nigga. Fuck, I ain't gay. I got a whole girlfriend.
Approximately 10 hours later.
I ain't gonna lie, I punked out of that. Hey, I got a question.
Yeah.
Rate me 1 through 10. No. Oh, no, dude. Why would you do that? It's a simple. You can rate me a 2. I'm gonna get shitty in that percent, nigga. Shitty, cause I know I ain't no damn 2. But just answer, dude. Damn, bro, make me 1. Smack the fuck out of you. Hey, I got a question.
Yeah, what's the question?
Rate me 1 through 10.
Pardon?
Hey,
What did you say?
rate me 1 through 10.
Rate you 1 to 10. 11.
Yeah. 11?
11? Yes.
Oh, and then
You got a really nice shaped nose. Your nose is really cute.
What?
can I get that number then?
Really cute nose.
Like, can I get your number then?
Oh, thank you.
No new friends. No new friends. No, no, no.
No new friends, no new friends, no new friends, no, no, no.
I got 11. Oh, hey. Mr. Max here in this beat. You know what the fuck going on. 19. I'ma do it. Oh, damn, she skipped me. I got 11. Oh yeah, nigga, I'm doing way better than my brother. That nigga got a 6. Ain't under 6. Then he gotta get an egg on his head. I ain't like that. I do it in my next video though. Hey, I got a question.
What's up?
Hit the time button. Time. Rate me 1 through 10.
Your dick? Rate your dick 1 through 10?
Rate me.
Wow. Oh wow. Oh wow.
That's crazy, bro. Why am I looking at? Anyway, hey, I got a question.
What?
Rate me 1 through 10.
8.
And we out this bit.
I went from knocking to stacking and rapping, and now I be working like all day. These bitches be capping, they ain't by the action, girl. You can get cut like a ball fade. Really do not care what y'all say. My niggas so working the hard way. Calling my phone, girl, leave me alone, and please do not take this the wrong way. I went from knocking to stacking and rapping, and now I be working like all day. Bitches be capping, they ain't by the action, girl. You can get cut like a ball fade. Really do not care what y'all say. My niggas so working the hard way. Calling my phone, girl, leave me alone, and please do not take this the wrong way. My dogs, yeah, we ballin' so hard.